Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in our last video, we saw one rule related to co-prime numbers. In this video, we are going to see one very interesting rule about two numbers or more than two numbers such that the bigger number is divisible by smaller number. If among the given number, the bigger number is divisible by smaller number, then what is their HCF and what is their LCM? Let us see. Suppose first example, numbers are 15 and 30. You can easily see that these two numbers, among these two numbers, this bigger number 30 is divisible by smaller number 15. So let's find their HCF and LCM. Both are divisible by 5. So if you will divide them by 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 6 are 30. Clear? 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So let's divide them by 3. Answer will be 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Clear? HCF. Multiplication in first column, that is 5 multiplied by 3. Therefore HCF is equals to 15. LCM. First column multiplied by last row. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. So LCM is equals to 5 3 is 15, 2 is 30. Clear? We are finding HCF LCM of 15 and 30. HCF is 15, LCM is 30. Okay? 12 and 36. Right? Both are divisible by 2. If we will divide them by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 18 2 are 36. मजा है. 6 and 18 divisible by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18. 3 and 9 divisible by 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Clear? HCF. Multiplication of numbers in first column, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So HCF is equals to 2 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. LCM. This first column 2 into 2 into 3 multiplied by last row 1 into 3 means into 3. So this is nothing but 12. We found 12 multiplied by 3, 36. LCM is equals to 36. Clear? Are you getting anything? Any pattern? We are finding HCF LCM of 12 and 36. HCF is 12, LCM is 36. It will be much clear with last example. Suppose the numbers are 30, 60, 120. See, in this example, all bigger numbers 30, 60 and 120 are divisible by smaller number. So 60 is divisible by 30. 120 is also divisible by 30. 120 is also divisible by 90. So bigger number is divisible by all smaller number. Is clear? So what will be HCF in this case? As based on this rule, while finding HCF and LCM of such numbers, HCF is always the smallest number 15 and LCM is bigger number 30. HCF is the smaller number 12, LCM is bigger number 36. Here also HCF will be smaller number 30, LCM is bigger number 120. Let us verify it. All these three numbers are divisible by 10. So if we will divide them by 10, answer will be 3 6 12. 3 6 12 are divisible by 3. So by dividing 3, 1 2 4. Now all three numbers are not divisible by any number. So we have to stop here for HCF. So HCF is equals to 10 into 3. HCF is equals to 30. But in case of LCM, if any two numbers are also divisible, we can continue the factorization. So let's continue because two numbers are divisible. So if we will divide them by 2, answer will be 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. This one is not divisible by 2, so it will be as it is. Okay. Now LCM is equals to 10 into 3 into 2 multiplied by 1 into 1 into 2. So which is equals to 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 into 10 120. So I hope students you are getting here. We derived one very interesting rule. The rule is if bigger number is divisible by smaller number, then HCF is that smaller number and LCM is the bigger number. Bigger number is divisible by smaller number, so HCF is the smaller number, LCM is the bigger number. If all bigger numbers are divisible by smaller number, if all bigger numbers are divisible by all smaller numbers, then HCF is the biggest number, sorry, LCM is the biggest number and HCF is the smallest number. Got it? These rules we have to use in future to quickly identify the numbers, nothing else. Suppose the question is there such as find the HCF or LCM of 35 and 70. I will not recommend you to factorize these two numbers. What I'm expecting, students should directly write HCF is equals to 35 and LCM is equals to 70. And you may wonder why we don't have to factorize, because rule is given in the book. I'm taking efforts to convey the rule, right? You got to understand the rule, then you are supposed to use it. Why we are learning the rule if you are not using it? And the smartest way to using the rule is state the rule and use the rule. So here we will say biggest number is divisible by smaller number, bigger number is divisible by smaller number. So HCF is smaller number, LCM is bigger number. Don't go in the formality of finding factorization. But if numbers are not divisible, then we will continue with our traditional method. Okay friends, I hope you have understood it. You may have enjoyed also it. Okay. Thank you friends.